You know what's interesting? Most homeowners think about their car way more than they think about their furnace. And yet, if you stay in your home long enough, you will replace your furnace. But we don't really treat it that way. If a furnace is working, it becomes invisible. There's no warning lights, no mileage counter, no reminder that time is passing. And we stop thinking about it. Now compare that to your car. With a car, we understand wear. We understand that parts age, repairs increase, reliability slowly changes. Most people don't wait for their car to die on the highway before they at least start thinking about replacing it. That's exactly how most HVAC systems are treated. We wait until something stops or until a repair forces the question. And when that happens, something changes. It's not just the equipment, it's the timing. You lose flexibility, you lose space to compare, you lose the calm feeling of making a clear decision. When timing disappears, pressure takes its place. And the real cost of waiting usually isn't the big price jump, it's compressed thinking. It's choosing in January instead of September. It's dealing with it when you're cold instead of when you're comfortable. And we don't evaluate things the same way when we're uncomfortable. If you plan to stay in your home 5 years or more, replacement isn't really an if, it's a when. That doesn't mean replace today. It just means know where you stand. Cars get replaced when we understand where. Furnaces need replacing for the same reason. One usually gets planned, the other gets reacted to. Knowing the difference before winter decides for you is where stability lives. Thanks for watching, and stay comfortable, but please stay tuned.